Claim Launchpad XYZ LPX token January 31 Bone platform live in February for 14,000% ROI. Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Highly anticipated Web3 portal and trading platform Launchpad XYZ, which raised $2.79 million in its presale, is turning on claiming of its $LPX token from 11 UTC on Wednesday, January 31. Heightened volatility is returning to the market with a vengeance, which presents challenges and opportunities in equal measure. However, true to its mission to bring sophistication and trusted value to how retail investors engage in the markets, the team at Launchpad XYZ is leaving nothing to chance. Launchpad XYZ planners are well aware of the tumult in the market triggered by the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs and perhaps more. Fundamentally, the past performance of the market in previous halving years where the Bitcoin price has crashed around that key disinflationary event, holding liquidity close to protect $LPX token holders. Accordingly, the team has instructed its market makers to have a rest, meaning there will be no liquidity provision until the market is adjudged to have put in a bottom. Although, the old adage that savvy investing is mostly about time in the market, not market timing, there is always an exception to the rule, and this moment in the market requires some rule breaking. But you need to have the right intelligence and interpretive skills to work out where that bottom is. This is where Launchpad XYZ experts bring their market experience and news to bear. The team's market analysts are aware that the Bitcoin price usually drops heavily around the halving. They will be looking for this pattern to reassert itself with the halving of Bitcoin's block reward from 6.25 to 3.125 BTC set to take place on April 22. The purpose of the cautious liquidity provision approach is to manage risk in such a way as to protect the market capitalization of the token and therefore the value of investors' capital. Early opening up of utility to drive user acquisition. The meticulously thought-through launch of the $LPX token focuses on a near-term goal of acquiring as many new users as possible prior to launch, thereby helping to maximize the buoyancy of the price at the start of exchange trading. Indeed, the aim is to make the token as attractive as possible by focusing on user acquisition before launching any token markets, allowing the market cap to be justified at launch. A decentralized exchange is an important part of the project roadmap but requires careful management of liquidity. The highly anticipated project launch has whetted the appetite of many in the marketplace because of its early success in trading signals generation, demonstrating the strength of the algorithms that are the foundation of its much-heralded Launchpad quotient system version. One of the platform is scheduled to be rolled out as early as February, bringing immediate utility to the $LPX token as the native asset for accessing its deep analytical features. The phone platform will launch with its alpha release, providing the public with access to the Launchpad quotient LPQ algorithm via perpetual trading setups and small cap token identification, all given an LPQ rating out of 1,000. Powerful proprietary quotient algo delivers 14,000% ROI, coming in February. Notably, the alpha version of the algorithm has provided returns of over 14,000% in the past 9 months across both perps and small caps. No wonder $LPX token holders are salivating at the prospect of a February launch. All historical trades can be viewed still in their alpha telegram. New potential customers of the platform who do not own the $LPX token will not be locked out because Launchpad XYZ is enabling over-the-counter purchases of the token. Launchpad XYZ's astutely crafted post-claim preparations will bring cheer to token holders, likely further bolstering community confidence in the project's management. Finally, the team has let it be known that they are open to the possibility of burning a percentage of the retained tokens that were not sold in the presale. Burning would potentially boost the value of the circulating supply by increasing scarcity. Another possible win for $LPX token holders. Quotient Plus LLM makes Launchpad XYZ AI a trader's dream, but Web3 Portal is an even bigger prize. There are two critical parts to the Launchpad XYZ ecosystem that promise to make it such a standout product. First, as we have seen, there is Launchpad Quotient LPQ, an elegant and innovative algo-driven ranking system with 400+ data points. LPQ furnishes traders with the tools they need to bring confidence to their decision-making in the market. The bespoke algorithm blends social, financial, and market data to power its insightful and actionable analysis of the incredibly diverse digital asset space. However, there is a second critical part of the offering from Launchpad XYZ, its fully powered large language AI model LLM. Today's markets, especially the crypto markets, produce billions of items of consumable data that are impossible for humans to analyze in real time, but that's where Launchpad XYZ's LLM comes in. Launchpad XYZ makes big data manageable and malleable with state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to enable profitable trading. Still, Launchpad XYZ is ultimately about more than just trading, as important as that is. It wants to be your one-stop shop for accessing digital assets and the revolutionary utility they can bring, with an ambitious mission to expand to a gaming, hub and decentralized exchange. Keep watching the Launchpad XYZ space. Visit Launchpad XYZ. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.